Yes, so I'm back with another better breakfast, and this time around, all you need is cucumber, egg, carrots, tomatoes, sausage, flour, and maybe onions if you have dough. So first, before I start, I want to quickly make a shout out to all my viewers and subscribers. Thank you for always coming to view our videos. Thank you for coming back, check out our videos. And if this is your first time, thank you for actually stopping by to open our videos. We love and appreciate you. And I'll say a big thank you to everybody for 60,000 plus views. I appreciate. I saw it means a lot to me. Thank you very much for 60,000 plus view. Okay, so back to our breakfast. First, you get your cucumber, then you cut it, then you remove the middle from it because you don't really need that middle because you'll be adding your egg to the middle. So after opening the middle, after removing the middle of the cucumber, you just keep down one side. Then you dice your carrot and you dice your tomatoes and you dice your sausage and whatever thing again you want to add to it. If you have spring onions, you can add it, or if it is normal onions you want to use, you can add it. Anything you want to use, you can add it. Then you get a bowl, a clean bowl, you break your egg inside. You can break as many eggs as you want, depending on how many you want to do actually. Because me, I'll be doing 8, so I'm breaking 2 eggs. So you add your other ingredients to the egg, like your carrots, your what's it called, tomato, your spring onions, or whatever thing again you added to it. So me, I'm adding my carrots, tomato, sausage, and egg. That's all. So now you're going to add your salt. Then you add your pepper. If you want, if you don't want, you can leave it like that. You can just add just salt to it, and that's all. Then you get a pan, and then you add butter or oil to your pan. Then after that, you're going to add your cucumber first to it. Make sure you mix your egg very well so the whole ingredients goes round. So you add your egg to the middle of the what's it called, cucumber. At this point, if you've not subscribed, then you don't like me. Please subscribe to my channel if you've not. Thank you. And don't forget to like. Also, don't forget to comment because your comment is actually very, very, very important. So please don't forget to comment. So now you add the egg to the middle of the cucumber, the middle you took out. You just replace it with egg. So now what I added to this now is parsley. It's not a must though, but I just decided to add mine to it. So after adding your egg to the middle and everything, you allow it to fry for a while. Then you just flip over so both sides can actually fry or cook well, anyhow you want to call it. So after that, you wait for it to be ready. Once it's ready, you just take it out. That's all. So for the second, what's it called? For the second batch, I'll be adding flour to it. I don't know if you heard me say you need your flour. So in the first, when I started at the beginning, so I'll be adding flour to the next batch to make it, should I say thicker? Yeah, and to make it come out differently, sure. So I'll be adding flour to it. So I'll be adding flour to the egg. Actually, I'll just mix my flour with my egg and I'll make sure I turn well so everything comes out well. So I'm just going to do the same thing as I did in the first batch. I'm going to just add this egg that I'm mixing with flour now. I'm just going to add it to the middle of my cucumber and then I will fry. You see that it's going to come out looking, should I say, thicker? Yeah. So I'm adding more sausage to my egg actually because I want more actually. So I'm going to be frying this batch of sausage. It's not actually a must. I just feel like adding more sausage because I wasn't seeing the sausage. So now I'm going to be adding more sausage. So I'm frying the sausage first. So I'm going to cut it and add it to the egg. Then mix everything together. Then apply it to the middle of the cucumber. Please let us know your name and the country you're watching from so we can make a shout out to you on our next cooking video. Please don't forget. So yeah, like I said, it is the same way you did the first one. You're going to be doing the second one. You just add your cucumber to the hot oil or hot egg hot pan, and then you add the egg to the middle, allow it fry, then you flip over. Once it's ready, you take it out. That's all. So after that, you can add anything to it. You can eat it like that. You can eat it with ketchup. You can eat it with honey. You can eat it with bama, you can eat it, sorry, mayonnaise, you can eat it with anything you feel like eating it with. Me, I'll be eating mine with ketchup. So that's all for today's video. I hope it came out well. I hope you like it. I hope you're going to try it and you're going to come back to give us feedback. Please don't forget to like I said, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe, and please help us share this video. Thank you. Have an amazing day and see you on my next video. Bye.